Hi, today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use our new Grab and Go iPad. The first step is to grab your items and tap the iPad so that the screen lights up. Then, enter your member number in the first box. It is either a 3 or a 4-digit code. If you do not know your member number, you can either look on the app or call the clubhouse. We'd be happy to help you. Next, enter your last name below. If your last name has a hyphen or an apostrophe, please make sure to include it. If it is not included, the system may not recognize you. Once all the information is entered, click Continue. This will bring you to the Grab and Go screen where you can click the Grab and Go button. Once that button is clicked, it will bring you to our categories where you can choose your items. Choose your item and click Add to Cart. Say you have 2 of the same item, make sure you increase the quantity and then click Add to Cart. Once you have all your items entered, you can click View Cart. After you view your cart and notice all the items are right, you click Checkout. This will bring you to the screen where you can choose your notifications. This will allow you to either text or email a receipt. If you choose text message, you can either use the number in there or enter any number. And the same thing with email. You may enter any email you choose. If you do not want a receipt, you can click None. And you can go back and look at your email receipts at any time using the app or our website. Once you are finished, you can click Place Order and you are good to go. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the clubhouse at any time.